students, in this video we are continuing with lesson 1, rise and spread of Christianity. In the last video we discussed about the rise of Christianity, early life of Jesus, Jesus teachings, etc. etc. And here I am going to explain again about crucifixion, Christianity in the Roman Empire, then decline of the Roman Empire. These are all the things we will discuss here in this video. Okay. I told you in the last video Jesus was very popular among the common people. So the upper classes and some of the Jews, they were very much worried about this popularity. They saw him as a dangerous rebel. So the upper class people and the Jews, they complained to Pontius Pilate. He was the Roman governor of Judea. They complained about Jesus Christ, and later Jesus was arrested because Jesus had defied the Roman emperor by claiming to the king of the Jews. According to the Roman law, this was a crime deserving punishment by death. So later Jesus was arrested and he was sentenced to death by crucifixion. That was the punishment. Method of crucifixion means it's a type of punishment, that is by being nailed to a cross by the wrist and ankles. Okay, Jesus' popularity among the common people alarmed the upper classes and some of the Jews who saw in him a dangerous rebel. Because of the popularity of the Jesus Christ, the upper class people, they complained to the Roman governor. Later Jesus was arrested and he got the punishment. He was sentenced to death by crucifixion. Okay, and later Jesus was crucified. He was crucified on a Friday, and this event is remembered as Good Friday. According to the Christian, Jesus rose from the dead on third day after his death, and his resurrection or coming back to life is celebrated as Easter. After the death of, or according to the Christian tradition, Jesus came from, or Jesus rose from the dead on the third day. His resurrection or coming back to life is celebrated as Easter. Okay, so this was about the crucifixion, and next I am going to tell you about the Christianity in the Roman Empire. After the death of Jesus Christ, he was crucified. After the death of Jesus Christ, his teaching, already we discussed about the teaching of Jesus Christ. Jesus preached God's mercy and love. He assured all people, including the poor, suffering, etc. Okay, so after the death of Jesus Christ, his teachings were spread by his follower Paul. And Paul popularized the idea of Jesus as Christ. Christ means who had specially sent by God to atone for the sins of humanity. Okay, and the Christianity, it grew like as a religion, and it appealed to the people, especially the poor people and the downtrodden people in the Roman society. Later, the Christianity became the official religion of Rome. But in the initial stage, the Roman emperors tolerated Christianity as yet another of the many religions that existed in their empire. However, there were times when Christians were given cruel and unjust treatment. But at the time of Constantine I, Christianity gained political support. At the period of, or at the time of Constantine I, Christianity gained political support. Constantine I was a Roman emperor, and Constantine, he attributed his political success to his new religion. He also foresaw that Christianity would spiritually unite the Roman Empire. By the end of the 4th century, Christianity became the official religion of Rome. Initially, the Roman emperor, they did not support Christianity, but after the conversion of Constantine I, Christianity gained political support. And next we are going to see the reason for the decline of Roman Empire. The first reason was Roman Empire was divided into two, and there were two capitals also, Western and Eastern Roman Empire. Western Empire with the capital of Rome, Eastern Empire with its capital at Constantinople. Okay, This was the first thing. Roman Empire, it was divided into two, Western Roman Empire and Eastern Roman Empire, and both part are their own capital source. And by the middle of the 4th century AD, the Roman Empire came to share common boundaries with the Germanic tribes and the Vandals and France. Next reason for the decline of the Roman Empire, that is barbarian attacks. Barbarian tribes attacked large part of the Western Roman Empire, which crumbled under these attacks. This ended the political unity of the Western Roman Empire and led to the rise of regional kingdoms. First reason, the Roman Empire, it was divided into two sects, Western and Eastern. Second one, the barbarian attacks. Barbarian tribe attacked large part of Western Empire. The Western Empire finally collapsed when last Roman Emperor Romulus Augustus was defeated by the Goths. I told you about Goths. They were tribes. The Western Roman Empire finally collapsed and they were defeated by Goths in AD 476. Okay, once again I will tell you what we have learned today. We discussed about crucifixion of Jesus, Jesus' popularity among the common people, alarmed the upper classes and Jews. So these upper class people and Jews, they complained to the Roman governor. Finally, Jesus Christ, he was arrested and he got punishment and he was sentenced to death by crucifixion. Crucifixion means it's a type of punishment by being nailed to a cross by wrist and anklet, and he was crucified on a Friday, and this day is, or this event is remembered as Good Friday. According to Christian tradition, he rose from the dead on the third day after his death. His resurrection is celebrated as Easter. And next we discussed about Christianity in the Roman Empire. Paul popularized the idea of Jesus as Christ, who had been specially sent by God to atone for the sins of humanity. Okay. And at the time of Constantine I, Christianity gained political support. In AD 395, Roman Empire divided into two sects, Western and Eastern. The barbarian tribes attacked large part of the Western Roman Empire, which crumbled under these attacks. This ended the political unity of Western Roman Empire. Western Roman Empire finally collapsed and defeated by the Goths in AD 476. Okay, up to here, already we have learned this portion many times, topics many times. No need to read, no need to explain again and again. 2-3 times it's over. So if you have any doubt, you can ask through the comment. All of you please read again. Okay.